Now for the education experience of the year. Education is broadly regarded as the key use case for XR. It takes on many forms, and it is used for industrial and medical training, remote presence, data visualization, and as a tool for creativity. It unlocks our spatial memory, allowing our minds to relate to information through experience. WebXR allows educational experiences to be built for distribution on the immersive web. Next year, our hope is that the possibilities we're showcasing here today will inspire legions of developers to flood the internet with immersive educational content. Presenting our award for Educational Experience of the Year is a visionary leader in XR for learning, Kai Frazier, founder of Kai XR. Thank you so much, Kai, for being here, delivering my personal favorite category, Education Experience of the Year.
Thanks, Julie. What an exciting time it is to be an educator. From its humble beginnings in 360 video and web VR, educational content on the web has now entered the sixth-off era. The WebXR device API and immersive web browsers have the potential to transform dated learning models. It took many years for schools to adopt e-learning tools, and it will take many more before XR becomes a ubiquitous tool for education. With all its potential comes great responsibility to be proactive to make education in XR safe and accessible for learners of all ages. As Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said, we are now faced with the fact that tomorrow is today. We are confronted by the fierce urgency of now. Let us heed this call to action and spread the word that tomorrow's technology is here today. Let's bring educators in all fields to the table to help influence and accelerate the development of the immersive web for education. And the nominees for Education Experience of the Year are Envo Pometron by Dr. Keith Chan. Dr. Chan took his passion for anthropology and communicated that passion to his students in an immersive museum. Visitors can grab artifacts and view them in large or on a holographic projector to read about them as the walls display contextual information. One important thing that immersive content makes easy is its ability to communicate scale. This allows students to see how our human ancestors vary in size. Envo Pometron is built in A-frame and it's open source. It's a great example for teachers to teach themselves how to rapidly build immersive content. Windcraft by Sven Meyenberg. Windcraft is an immersive lesson in how a wind turbine works. This is the only nominated experience that has content available in 3 languages, English, French, and German. First, you enter a room where you get to see how a wind turbine operates by seeing a spatial representation of its aerodynamics. Then take an elevator up to the turbine itself where you'll be tested on how it works. Superstars by Supermedium. The ancients envisioned lines between stars and constellations. Since then, identifying these abstract connect-the-dot drawings has been challenging to memorize. Superstar by Supermedium gives you an immersive map of the stars and lets you aim a beam at the sky to reveal those drawings. You can even set your position around the globe to observe the sky from a specific location. Access Mars by Google and NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory. This immersive experience takes you to Mars and lets you learn about the Curiosity rover. You can teleport around to different sites that become named landmarks on the red planet. Space exploration is one of the most inspiring ways to get children interested in science, and Access Mars is a great way to capture those imaginations. And the winner of the Poly for Education Experience of the Year, Envo Pometron by Dr. Keith Chan.